Look, if you're thinking about buying a used car right now, you are definitely not alone. But honestly, here is the hard truth we have to face. Far too many buyers end up getting stuck with massive, completely unexpected repair bills. I mean, we're talking bills that can sometimes double the actual cost of the car, and it happens simply because they skipped a few basic foundational checks. So today, we're going to learn exactly how to avoid that expensive trap. We're going to walk through a highly structured but incredibly simple used car inspection checklist that you literally need to master before you sign anything. By the end of this explainer, you're going to have the exact tools to catch hidden problems early and buy your next car with absolute confidence. Let's get into it.
Now, it is just so easy to get swept up in the excitement, right? A shiny exterior, a freshly detailed interior, and a surprisingly low sticker price. It all looks absolutely fantastic on the dealership lot. You're probably thinking, wow, I can drive this beautiful machine home today. But I have to warn you, this is exactly where the biggest mistake starts for everyday buyers. Because that gorgeous, glossy paint job, yeah, it might just be a very expensive mask. We really have to learn to look past the polish and ask the tough question, what is actually hiding underneath all that shine?
And well, that brings us right to the root of the whole issue, the unknown history. Without digging into the specific details, that beautiful online bargain you found can rapidly turn into an absolute nightmare of compounding repairs. We are talking thousands of dollars down the drain, all because of things you just couldn't see from the curb. The entire buyer's remorse trap starts the very second you assume that a clean car equals a healthy car. So to put the power back in your hands, we are going to walk through a chronological, step-by-step inspection journey. We'll cover 1. Service records first. 2. Interior checks. 3. Hood and tires. 4. The test drive checklist. And 5. How to buy with total confidence. Basically, we're going to turn what feels like a scary mechanical evaluation into a super simple scavenger hunt. All right, step 1. Service records first. And honestly, this is the part buyers skip the most. Seriously, before you even touch the car or start admiring those nice leather seats, you absolutely must verify its history. Think of this paperwork as the car's medical chart. You need to ask the seller for all of these specific records. Have the oil changes actually been done on time? What parts have been replaced lately? Is there a solid history of tire rotations and tune-ups? And, absolutely crucial, are there any accident reports? Without this stack of papers in your hand, you are completely guessing about the car's actual health. If a seller brushes you off and says, "Oh, it runs great, but I just don't have the receipts," listen to me. That is a massive red flag. You want hard proof, not just empty promises.
Moving on to step 2, interior checks. We are going to test everything before we even think about driving.
Okay, so it's time to hop into the driver's seat, leave the car idling because we need to thoroughly test the cabin environment. The key here is to be completely methodical. Turn the key and watch that dashboard like a hawk. Do all the warning lights come on? And more importantly, do they all actually turn off once the engine is running? Go ahead and test every single button and switch. Flick the turn signals, hit the wipers, blast the heater, and switch on the AC. Yes, even if it's freezing outside, you have to know it works. Roll down every window, adjust the seats, open and close all the doors, and while you're conducting this little symphony of buttons, keep a very close eye on the temperature gauge. It needs to rise to the middle and hold completely steady right there. If it starts creeping toward the red, just walk away. All right, step 3, hood and tires. Time to listen and look carefully. Let's break this down into 3 super simple steps. Step 1. With the engine running, just stand there and observe. Look underneath the car for any active drips, and just listen closely to the engine block. You're listening for any weird clacking, ticking, or grinding sounds. It really should just hum smoothly. Step 2. Turn the engine off and check the battery age. Most of them have a little date sticker on top. If it's over 3 or 4 years old, heads up, you'll likely need to replace it soon. Step 3. With the engine still off, pull the dipsticks. Check the oil, transmission fluid, steering fluid, and brake fluid levels. You really don't need to be a master mechanic to see if a fluid is bone dry or looks like thick black sludge. And hey, this perfectly illustrates another massive hidden cost, the tires. You always want to inspect them closely. Grab a penny and check that tread depth. But even beyond the tread, look at the brands. Are all 4 tires from the exact same brand? Mismatched tires or dangerously low tread, that is an immediate, guaranteed hidden cost of several $100s that so many excited buyers just completely overlook in the moment. Step 4 is the test drive checklist. Whatever you do, do not ignore these signs. Okay, this is the absolute most crucial part of the physical inspection. We're going to practice the rule of subtraction here. When you get out on the road, the very first thing you do is turn that radio completely off. Seriously, you need to be able to hear what the car is telling you. Drive it deliberately. Go over some bumps so you can actually feel how the suspension handles it. Does it bounce forever like a boat, or does it settle quickly? When it's safe to do so, brake firmly. You're making sure there's no pulling to one side or any high-pitched squealing. Accelerate through a few corners to feel the steering response. And through it all, keep casting your eyes back down to that temperature gauge one more time to make sure it's still holding steady right in the middle.
And finally, step 5, buy with total confidence. Because, spoiler alert, service history wins every time. As we wrap up this journey, just look at the contrast in your options here. On one side, you've got the risky purchase, basically gambling on a shiny exterior with 0 checks, a completely unknown history, and a future packed with hidden costs. But on the other hand, by simply running through our full inspection checklist and demanding verified records, you are buying genuine peace of mind. You're taking complete control of the transaction.
I really want this quote to sink in. Service history and inspection matter way more than trim or year. Honestly, that is the absolute crucial takeaway of this entire explainer. Knowing the car's actual mechanical truth is your absolute best defense. A slightly older car with a flawless maintenance record is an infinitely better buy than a newer model that was completely neglected. And remember, if anything at all feels off during your checklist run, getting a trusted mechanic to do a pre-purchase inspection is your ultimate safety net.
So here is our final verdict. Inspect carefully. Never, ever buy blind again. It is simply not worth the financial stress. Make sure you download the free checklist so you know exactly what to look for, what to listen for, and what paperwork to demand. The only question left is, are you going to use this tool to take full control of your next car purchase, or will you let excitement push you into a massively expensive gamble?